Hello everyone, this is Dr. Meenakshi Chauhan and welcome to the Home Remedy series of Planet Ayurveda. So today I am going to tell you something very informative and useful for your problem like UTI, Urinary Tract Infection. This seems to be a very simple problem but this gives you real cries. That is why it rhymes so well with cry, UTI and cry. Because if you have been through UTI, I am sure you must have been crying that day, particularly when it's burning like 1,000 suns inside you, because it's so heat produced inside your body and you feel the burn and you're not able to pee properly, and whenever you are in your bathroom you're like crying out hell that what's happening with you, what negative forces are working inside your body, how this happened to you, and you keep thinking about the causes. So let me tell you, one cause is unhygienic, like if you're repeatedly using unwashed underwears or panties, and particularly my female patients, I would suggest that whenever you have intercourse, just go out for washroom and clean yourself properly. And also when using public toilets, just clean the seat and sit there before you sit, just see that there are no droplets of another person, because what happens is in UTI the bacteria travels through your urinary system through urethra, and it goes inside and gives you lot of itch, lot of burning and a big infection, and you might have fever, you might have scratchy feeling and too much of burning inside. So this can be handled very simply with a very simple home remedy. What we can do is, remedy number 1 for UTI is simple and very simple thing. This doesn't seem very extraordinary. See what I have is a jug of water. So this is remedy 1. This is I would say first aid for UTI patient, that you should drink water as if you are a fish stranded in some desert and you need water, you're just yelling for water. So you need to drink big glasses. I have kept a small glass just to show you, but you need to drink like a big glass, maybe 8 to 16 glasses. Keep drinking water every 15-20 minutes or maybe after every half an hour, so that you can just flush out the bacteria from your body and you are going to pass urine and you feel light and you feel some cooling effect. So this is the first remedy. You need to drink water. Drink it and then again drink it and keep drinking water, and then this will give you good results for UTI. Remedy number 2 for UTI is very yummy watermelons. I am sure most of my viewers love to eat watermelons, and this is a very effective remedy. Let me tell you, this is the most effective remedy. If you are drinking watermelon juice or maybe eating watermelon throughout the day, you can eat watermelons any number of times. This doesn't give heaviness in the body, and this is a very useful remedy. Drink watermelon juice like 8 glasses, 10 glasses. Don't add sugar, prefer taking the fresh watermelon, and this will be giving you good results. You don't need to start with any prescription medication if you're drinking watermelon, and you won't have any UTI anymore. Now remedy number 3 for UTI is, we have cucumbers. See what I have on my table is cucumbers. If you are munching on cucumbers, maybe you can take 12 or 30 cucumbers a day, and this is a very effective remedy for UTI. Remedy number 4 for UTI is a very beautiful remedy, really sweet, and I'm sure my viewers will love this. This I have, you can see and you can read on this is, we have rose petal jam. You can make this at home also, like you can take fresh roses and you can just dry them, and then you can add some sugar, put them aside, and you can make your own rose petal jam. And this is a very effective remedy. If you are taking this rose petal jam every day, like 2 spoons morning to evening, this is very good for your system. Like it helps in evacuation as well. It removes all the toxins from your body, and this is very effective remedy for UTI. Remedy number 5 for UTI is, you can see on the table, this is cranberry juice. This seems to be very acidic, and many people wonder that how cranberry can help in UTI because there is too much of heat already in the body. So how an acidic thing can work for UTI? So how it works is, you know that in UTI what happens, the bacteria tries to cling to your urethra, to your system inside. So to flush out that, we need a little bit of acid. Like the bacteria has fimbria, they have hair-like texture, and they try to cling to your urethra, to your bladder, to the urinary tract system. So to flush that out, we need a little bit of acid. Like in normal toilets, we need to flush with some acidic thing so that your toilets are clean. Similarly, in our body, we need a little bit of acid to flush out the system. So this works on that. Cranberry juice is very effective in recurrent UTI, particularly females who have UTI every second month and they are going through fever and burning sensation and they feel lethargic and too much of body pains just because of UTI. So if they are drinking cranberry juice too often every now and then, they prefer this refreshing drink throughout their day. So this is the best remedy for UTI. Remedy 6 for UTI, we have buttermilk. This is a very effective remedy. Again, buttermilk being acidic, still this is very soothing on the human body, particularly when some person is going through UTI. If you are drinking buttermilk throughout the day, and the one way is you are making that from curd, and the other way is that is called kachi lassi. What you do is you take half milk and more of water and you drink that, maybe chilled water, and you are drinking it like every 15 minutes or half an hour. This flushes out your system. You can also add little bit of coriander juice to it, mint juice to it, and even you can add some rose petal squeezed out juice to it, so that all these cooling things, they flush out your system and you feel that it is cooling and you don't have any burning sensation. Even what we can do is, if we have the itchy feeling too often and you feel like scratching throughout your body, like you have itching in your urethra or inside your bladder area and you feel like just scratching it out, so what you can do is you can just rinse the private parts with buttermilk, particularly curd also. You can just rinse that with buttermilk and curd and it gives real soothing effect. You don't need to put any ointment or anything, and this is a very, very useful and effective remedy for UTI. Remedy number 7 for UTI is sugarcane juice. See, I have sugarcane juice, and if you are drinking 10 to 12 glasses of this a day, if you are suffering from burning sensation of like UTI and all the scratchy feeling, if you drink this juice, this is a very effective home remedy. In your home you can easily use this, and I'm sure you don't need more of the prescription medicine at all. So apart from home remedies, what Ayurveda has to offer, so here we have a very good combination from Planet Ayurveda. What we have is Varunadivatti and Chandan, that is sandalwood. We have made tablets of that sandalwood, and that is Chandanadivatti. And we have Punarnava. It is a very effective formulation. Punarnava herb is very effective in UTI because it flushes out the system, it cleans the kidneys, and it is a very good herb for rejuvenation of kidneys. And here we have a formulation called Mutra Kashantak Churan. This is very effective because it has good number of herbs. It has Varuna, it has Punarnava, Gokru, and Gokru is very effective for UTI. And then we have a cooling herb called Bhui Amla, and we have Shigru, Shirish. Shirish is kind of an herbal antibiotic. So it is a very complete formulation for UTI. And I would suggest that if you don't feel comfortable with the herbs you have been taking, with the home remedies you have been taking so far, you can always try these herbs, and you will feel a really good soothing feeling with the UTI, and you don't need to start with any kind of antibiotics or any strong allopathic medication, and you can easily rely on the herbal formulations. And I suggest that do try, and please let me know. Thank you, and stay connected with Planet Ayurveda.